Hey everyone, welcome back with another video, and today's video, another Tripreport. We have a flight to Lahore today, so second travel video we are making. A three-hour journey. So we just came to the gate. It took us about a minute to get here. There's a gate next to us. So anyways, let's begin. Alright, there's our gate. We are at gate 814 and A21. Alright, let's get to the gate. This is one gate. Oh. This is yum. I have to get to gate. Alright, here we are at gate A21.
Actually, come on the spider web. Just actually come in the spider web. Mommy.
It's 777, I can see. What's going on? Are we supposed to be here? Don't know where my flight is.
ਅਸੀਂ ਅਬੂ ਜ਼ੈਬੀ ਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਦੀ ਫਲਾਈਟ ਸੀ ਰਾਤ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਬਸ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਟਕ ਕੀਤਾ ਕੈਂਸਲ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਪੂਰੀ ਰਾਤ ਟਾਈਮ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ
Your seat, genau.
Our today's aircraft is a Boeing 777-300ER, registered as A6ENB. This is also my 5th time on the 777. I've been on 777 4 times back in 2019, including the 200LR, which I went on twice, from Adelaide to Dubai and Dubai to Adelaide. And so my flight number for this one will be EK622 from Dubai to Lahore, which will be a 3-hour journey. Alright, it's now time to board the aircraft. And we are then on our way to Lahore, and there's A350 over there, the one we traveled on previously. Alright guys, now I'm on board, sitting in seat 34K, and I'm inside the 777, and there is an A380 you can see over here. I don't know what the flight number is. Now it's taking a turn. I'll quickly take a photo of that plane. It's one of my favorite, King of the Skies.
يمكنكم استخدام هذا الريموت لنفخ أو تعزيز الهواء في السفرة عن طريق النفخ. سترة النجاة مجهزة بضوء وصافرة لجذب الانتباه. سيكون صوت الطائرة بتوسيع الإصرار.
It's now time for a pushback, and we'll be ready for our flight.
Just for clarity, this also includes electronic smoking devices.
And in case you didn't know, all lavatories have smoke detectors.
Instead of changing cabin pressure, oxygen mask silicone in the buggy, hold the mask closely like this. Start to get oxygen. Put the mask over your mouth and nose, adjust the strap, and breathe normally. And always put your own mask on first before you help anyone else. In the unlikely event of an emergency, when cabin crew tell you to brace, lean forward against the seat in front of you, like this. And like this if you're holding an infant.
Or lean forward with your arms tucked under your legs, like this.
Cabin crew will give out life jackets or life cloth for instance.
Take a moment to find the emergency exit nearest to your seat. Look back, as it may be behind you.
There are 10 emergency exits on this Boeing 777-300.
If we need to evacuate, leave all your bags behind and follow the lights on the floor to your nearest exit. Take off high-heeled shoes before you use the safety slides.
Thank you for your attention. And if you need a reminder of any of the safety steps, check the safety card in your seat pocket or ask us at any time.
We're now going to make the final preparations for departure. So sit back, relax, and enjoy your Emirates flight.
Our colleagues will be with you once we're airborne to ensure you receive our Fly Better experience. Thank you for flying Emirates. इमारात की परवाज में आपका खैर मकदम है। ये हिफाजती वीडियो गैर जरूरी नहीं है। इसमें गानों पर नाचने वाले रक्कास, फिल्मी किरदार या मशहूर शख्सियात नहीं जो आपको तकलीफ फराहम करे।
अलबत्ता इमारात में हिफाजत हमेशा सबसे मुकद्दम है। सो टेकऑफ से पहले कुछ हिफाजती खुसूसियात के बारे में जानना जरूरी है। अगर आप हमारे अवार्ड याफ्ता तफरीही निज़ाम का लुत्फ़ उठा सकते हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
बराए मेहरबानी इस बात का ख्याल रखें कि आप अपने बैग रखें इस ओवरहेड लॉकर में। या अगर आपके पास छोटी बैग हो तो आप इन्हें यहाँ अपने साथ रख सकते हैं।
फर्स्ट क्लास में आपके स्वीट के अंदर स्टोरेज एरिया मौजूद है।
इस तरह। और अगर आपकी मौत में बच्चा है तो इस तरह झुकें।
या अपने हाथों को टांगों की नीचे रखकर आगे की तरफ झुकें। इस तरह। आपकी नशिस्तों के नीचे या बराबर में लाइफ जैकेट छोड़ें। लाइफ जैकेट उतार निकालें और अपने सर पर खींचें। पीठे को अपनी कमर के पास लाएं और सामने की तरफ बांधें। जोर से खींच के देखिए कि कसा है नहीं।
दरवाजे पर अपनी लाइफ जैकेट को तभी खिलाएं जब आप तैयारी से बाहर जाएं। इसे खिलाने के लिए दोनों सिर्फ टॉवल्स को झटके से नीचे खींचें।
time to take off on runway 30 right. Departure. It's very fun, like you hear the plane wobble when it moves at fast speed.
cautious when opening the overhead locker and remember to check your seat area for any personal belongings. Thank you for flying Emirates. We hope you've enjoyed your flight and we look forward to seeing you again soon.
خذينا راس لاهور में आप खुशहाल कामयाब वापस आपसे गुजारिश की जाती है कि बड़ी मेहरबानी आप अपने हिफाजत में रखें उसूल में रहें जब तक हवाई जहाज मुकम्मल तौर पर उड़ जाए और हिफाजतमंद कलामात बताएं। मैं आपके इंतखाब करने के लिए मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप अपने परिवार से महसूस रहेंगे जल्दी आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी।
Alright, now it's time to get off and then we get our home.
Wheelchair.
Where do we go? Yeah, we are. Qatar A315 1000. Here we are at the terminal. So we see. Come on.
Toilet.
Alright guys, looks like this is off today. I had a very beautiful 2-hour journey from Dubai to Lahore. I'm still pretty tired. I hadn't even slept because I was very sleepy. And so anyways, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe or follow my Instagram and Facebook page. And I'll see you next time. Bye.